If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Klaviyo tips. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Klaviyo password. This process is straightforward and takes just a few clicks, ensuring your account remains secure and up to date. Start from the Klaviyo homepage and click your profile icon in the lower left corner. From the menu, go to Settings, then click the Personal tab. Scroll down to the Login Password section, enter your current password, then type and confirm your new password. Make sure both entries match exactly and are strong, using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once done, hit Save. Your password is now updated, keeping your Klaviyo account secure. Regular updates help maintain strong security. That's it. You've successfully changed your Klaviyo password. Keep it safe and reach out to Klaviyo support if you need any help.